Hey everyone, it's Julie here with TipRanks. Today we're taking a look at a few 10 out of 10 tech stocks. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here. Today we're taking a look at a few stocks in the technology sector. This, of course, is a very popular sector with investors. When we look at TipRanks' smart portfolio, over 50% of the average portfolio is made up with tech stocks. So today we've narrowed in on 3 stocks that not only score a perfect 10 on the TipRanks Smart Score, but also come in with a strong buy consensus from Wall Street analysts. So today we're going to take a look at these companies, what it is that they do, and what those analysts are predicting for the stock's future. We found these companies using the TipRanks stock screener. Found right at the top of the screener menu, here we put in a few different filters, including a medium to mega cap, a 10 out of 10 on that TipRanks Smart Score, a strong buy consensus from analysts, and we narrowed in on the tech sector to get our list of companies below. You can try the stock screener for yourself over on the TipRanks website or right on the mobile app. Links to download are in the description down below. Just a reminder that if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. Now let's dive right into these 3 10 out of 10 tech stocks. First on the list, we're taking a look at Hubspot. They trade under the ticker HUBS, currently priced at $672. They have had some ups and downs over the past year. Overall, they're up 12% in the last year, but down 18% in the last 3 months. They do currently score a 10 out of 10 on the TipRanks Smart Score with very positive crowd wisdom and increased hedge fund activity. Hubspot is a cloud-based, AI-powered customer platform that provides a suite of tools for inbound marketing, sales, customer service, content management, and operations. Its core offering is its Customer Relationship Management, or CRM system that unifies customer data across teams, enabling businesses to attract, engage, and retain customers effectively. Taking a look at HubSpot's AI analysis, they do come in with an outperform score. While there was a downtick in their net revenue retention, they did have solid execution, delivering on their key growth initiatives of more platform adoption, AI innovation, and upmarket expansion. When we take a look at their key performance indicators, one of the categories we can look at is their total customers, and that has been consistently growing quarter over quarter. Their latest quarterly earnings report came out last week on May 8th. Though the company did have both an earnings and revenue beat, that beat was softer than expected, and they didn't increase their future guidance. They did see strong revenue and customer growth, along with advancements in their AI adoption, but they did note challenges such as macroeconomic uncertainty. The company did also authorize a $500 million share repurchase program. Following that quarterly report, we have had plenty of analysts reiterate their buy ratings, though quite a few have slightly lowered their price targets, including one 5-star analyst from Raymond James. They noted that their Q1 results broadly exceeded the firm's expectations, though there was more modest upside than typical. They see avenues for HubSpot to gain share in this environment, similar to the vendor consolidation benefits witnessed in 2023. And with 19 current analyst ratings, HubSpot does come in as a strong buy with 17 buys and 2 holds. Analysts' average price target comes in at $768, implying an upside potential just shy of 14%. And when we look at those ratings down below, you can see all of those analysts recently adjusting those price targets, with our low end ranging from a downside of 4% to a high end with an upside of 33%. For our second 10 out of 10 tech stock, we're looking at Broadcom. They trade under the ticker AVGO, currently priced at $231. Over the past year, they have gained 60%. They are in the red over the last 3 months, down almost 5%, but in recent weeks, we can see a bit of a rebound. They do score a 10 out of 10 on the TipRanks Smart Score. Broadcom is a global tech company that designs, develops, and manufactures a wide range of semiconductors and software solutions. Their products go to use in AI, data centers, networking, wireless, and cybersecurity. Their innovative chips power smartphones, cloud computing, and industrial systems, while their software, including VMware, drives enterprise efficiency. Taking a look at TipRanks' AI analysis, Broadcom also scores an outperform. That score reflects their strong financial performance and promising growth in AI, as the company recently announced 2 new AI engagements. Despite a high valuation, the company's strategic positioning and robust earnings outlook support a positive stock performance outlook. And that is in line with their Q1 earnings report that came out back in March. The company had an earnings beat and saw record revenue. Earnings per share of $1.60 beat by 9 cents per share, while revenue of $14.92 billion beat by $330 million and grew nearly 25% year over year. Taking a look at Wall Street, just yesterday, a 5-star analyst from Bernstein named Broadcom as one of their top picks. Broadcom was named alongside NVIDIA as top picks based on the anticipated surge in global AI capital expenditures for 2025. And with 23 current analyst ratings, Broadcom does come in as a strong buy with 21 buys and 2 holds. The average price target of $246 would represent an upside potential of about 6%. When we look at some of those price targets down below, a lot of them about a month old now, so we do have some downsides like this one with negative 13%, as the stock has already surpassed that price target. On the high end, we have a price target of $300 for an upside of 29%. If you've made it all the way to our third stock, then this is a reminder to make sure you've hit that thumbs up button. Last but not least, we're taking a look at Monday.com. Trading under the ticker MNDY, they are currently priced at $294. Overall, in the past year, they've gained 53%, also in the red over the last 3, down 12%, currently scoring a 10 out of 10 on the TipRanks Smart Score with bullish blogger sentiment and increased hedge fund activity. They are a cloud-based work operating system, allowing teams to manage projects, workflows, and daily tasks, all through their customizable boards, automations, and integrations. They offer solutions for project management, CRM, software development, and more, fostering collaboration and data visualization for businesses of all sizes. And once again, looking at our AI analysts, they do score and outperform. The company shows impressive revenue and cash flow growth supported by efficient cost management and strategic initiatives. Looking at some of their key performance indicators, one of the factors we can look at is their customers over $50,000, of which we've seen a big increase over the last few years. They just shared their latest quarterly report yesterday, coming out with a record revenue growth, an earnings and revenue beat, and an increase to their future outlook. They reported revenue of $282 million, which grew 30% year over year. And they also achieved record quarterly operating profit and generated their highest ever cash flow for a single quarter. And following this quarterly report, we've seen plenty of Wall Street analysts weighing in, including one 5-star analyst from TD Cowen. They reiterated their buy rating, saying that Monday.com demonstrated strength in their upmarket strategy with notable growth in enterprise customers and multi-product adoption. Despite a conservative outlook due to macroeconomic uncertainties, the company's guidance does remain optimistic, setting the stage for potential outperformance. Monday.com has 10 current analyst ratings, coming in as a strong buy with 9 buys and 1 hold. And their average price target of $357 implies an upside potential of over 20%. Looking at those price targets down below, we can see quite a few reiterated here in just the last day, pretty much all coming in with a buy. Our price targets range from an upside of a few percent to a high end of 28%. So that is a quick look at 3 tech stocks, all scoring a 10 out of 10 and getting a strong buy consensus from Wall Street. Let me know your thoughts on these companies in the comments down below. I always love hearing from you guys. And please keep in mind these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock, so make sure you always stick to your own investment plan. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you back here next time.